everyone, welcome to Digit. Today we're going to be unboxing the RPM Eurogames gaming earphones. So now let's look at the box and see what we have right here. You have some of the features listed right here. You have a detachable mic, a 3.5mm jack for gaming and mobile devices like your smartphones, tablets, a 3.5mm audio adapter for PC. It is also compatible with PS4, Xbox One, iPhone, iPad, Android phones and PC. The earphones are also sweat and water resistant or waterproof as they say. They also come with CVC noise cancellation, which is Qualcomm's noise cancellation mode. The earphones have 1 year of manufacturer warranty. They also come with an inline microphone. They can be used for music or calls. And they also have superior comfort with extra hooks. Now let's open up the box and see what we have in here. First off, we have a user guide. Let's keep that aside. This is the detachable microphone. Then we have a few extra silicone tips. You have a large size and a small size inside here. The medium ones are fitted right on the earphones. And then finally you have the earphones themselves. We'll come to this later. And down here you have a headset audio Y splitter cable for PC. Now let's look at the headphones. You can see that they have this bright blue and black color, which looks really cool. At the back here you have the RPM Eurogames logo, and you have this mesh kind of design which looks really nice. Here you have the port for the mic to be plugged in. That's it, it plugs in right like this. You also have silicone wings at the top here for extra comfort. They can be removed as well if you so wish to. These silicone wings also come with the right and left indicators, so you can easily tell which earphone goes where. Now you have the cable here, which is a rubber cable. And down here you have a control panel. You basically have the volume plus, volume minus, which is a switch like this, a toggleable switch. You go up and down. And you also have a multifunction button right in the middle. You also have an LED indicator here. And then you have the rest of the cable, which is a bit thicker than this part. And you have an L-shaped connector with a gold-plated 3.5mm audio connector. So this easily goes inside your smartphones, and you can just hold it like this without having any discomfort. So that's about it for the unboxing of the RPM Eurogames gaming earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.